What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you something super cool, but before we get into it, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so I can hang out, find cool stuff, and get talking on this channel, getting stuff on your radar. Let's hopefully make a little bit of money. Let's get you the information. Let's do it. So guys, we're talking about blockmates.com right now. It's going to explain to you what Guildfi is. All right, it's a really cool blog, right? Link down below, and it's explained to you. You can actually listen to the article. It's 21 minutes long. So guess what? I'm not going to play that on here. It'll be a very long video. But what is it? All right, a complete guide to it. It's fun, but rising in popularity is met with some fun, explosive behavior from game publishers. All right, games have become more expensive to purchase, and due to centralization of their microstations, the players do not have true ownership of their own WOD in-game asset. All right, that's what we want. We want to be able to play games and actually own it. We're in a decentralized world now where we can own the assets of games. The problem with guilds, as it talks about here, and it'll explain to you what guilds are, the solution is what I'm bringing you today. I'm not here to explain to you what guilds are and things like that. Do your own research. The solution, okay? It's a one-stop shop for your gaming metaverse experience. Since the current guild ecosystem is similar, may separate pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. So it aims to provide the infrastructure to connect those pieces together. Speaking broadly, their vision consists of scholarship, aggregator, game creation, and discovery tools for players and developers. As a guild, as a service model, a new reward system for players, and much, much more. The product. All right, go in here and actually have a look. They've got the Guildfi ID, game discovery, guild discovery, proof of play, all these kind of things, which we're going to dive into. But get on here and have a look at this. It's blockmates.com. The links are going to be down below. Okay, now we've read that, let's dive into the website. So Guildfi, at the top, we've got home games, marketplace, meta drop, staking, log in and register. Links are going to be down below. And it says it here, enhancing your play and earn experience in the metaverse. All right, really, really cool. We've got all of these partners coming on. So guild partners with Endo Kuni, all right, Crossworld, Play to Earn and Play to Earn, partnering with loads of different people. It's a really cool concept, all right? They're super excited about the V1.5 because it's now live. It's their unlimited version. You can still see Binance Smart Chain, one of the biggest smart chains in the world, is partnered with them, okay? More is going to be revealed as you go on through their social medias, and I will show you their Twitter, but let's have a quick look at some of the games they've got on here. So, we've got F-Defy, all right? It's the Stellar Fantasy game. Tatsumik and Aprion and Ninu Kuni, they're the top in there. One of the biggest games on the Crossworld features. All right, going down, you have got loads though. Let me know in the comments right now which one of these you've played. I'll tell you, I've played Ascenders. I played Axie Infinity, which could be the biggest game in the world. All right. I've seen a lot of Crypto Raiders, but I've actually not played it myself, but it looks incredible. Nyan Heroes, I've definitely played. I want to play this because it's in the top. The Sandbox, obviously, if you haven't played Sandbox, you're not in the crypto world with us. Let me know. It says here, which game did you play? Let me know in the comments down below which games you have played. Let's have a look at the marketplace now. Marketplace is where their NFTs are actually showing. So for example, you can see Axie Infinity's player ticket is here, just 300. All you got to do is click it. I'm not eligible right now, of course, but all you got to do is click it and get involved. Go across to their NFTs. Sales are going on soon. Gift cards, whitelist, player tickets, in-game items. They've got everything coming on here, right? Super, super cool. Their meta drop is something that everybody's talking about right now. All right, it drops and the sale in the metaverse you're looking for. Get the best unique NFT with proof to play. Their mystery box is going to be insane. If you got involved in the mystery box, let me know what you've got if it's already open, because this hype was real. The next one they brought out was the Cypher box that was free. All right, you can see here they say these have ended. Some of these were massive. The biggest one, the mystery box, is what I saw was big, and you can see it's free. They do these all the time, so stay tuned. All right, they even have a staking portal for you where you can connect your account and actually start staking this money. Guys, they are actually running a Questober. All right, it's basically a quest where you are going to help and you can win some incredible things. All right, basically you got to create a video post on your channel. All right, you introduce it, get all that stuff. I can put the link down below for everything you've got to do. All right, there is a few points that you've got to know, like make sure the spelling and pronunciation is right, things like that, so they don't get into trouble. All right, basically introduce it, talk about the key message of it, put followers into the campaign and your social media posts, share them, and you will start getting involved. Questober is going to be massive as well. If you like the sounds of what I'm talking about and you want to get involved, all right, come over to their Medium as well and just have a look. They do lots of blogs on there, right? We're excited for the guild version. It's just what I've been talking about, and it tells you everything. You can actually get involved with their waitlist as well by coming over here. A good dive into their Twitter. They got 126.8 thousand followers. It's at Guildfi Global. That's at GUILDFIGLOBAL. Give them a massive follow. Let them know you're from this channel. They actually get some really cool information out on here. All right. So if you are worried about missing out on information, just follow their Twitter and it will all come. How to connect your system with a Guildfi account, things like that. So you can just have a look and it will just show you exactly what you've got to do. Very, very important that you get a big follow on here. Guild's Questober, here it is. It's complete game quest and stand a chance to win 100,000 prize pool. All right, if that is sounding good to you, let me know in the comments. I'm looking at this poster right now and thinking 100,000 USD would go pretty well with my day. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'd get myself a PS5 like you see here. I need a new chair. My chair's hurt my back. I want this right now. All right, these are all the things that you can get with all the prizes and up to $100,000. Celebrating the month of October. What this is their first ever month-long campaign with quests part of our top games, all right? There'll be a new quest released every week through October and we'll announce it in their social media. Participants will earn GXP NFTs tokens, in-game items from participant quests. You win loads of prizes, all right? iPhone 14 Pro Max. I need to get myself one of them. I'm still on the old one. All right, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, things like that. The legendary pool. All you got to do is complete 19 quests in October and stand a chance to win an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Moving down, you got the epic prize pool, the special multiplier, and much, much more. All right, links are down below. Please have a look at this Medium blog at the Questober event. So guys, do me a favor when you follow their Twitter, let them know you're from this channel. George sent you over and you are excited to get involved. All right, I am very excited about this. It is massive. The hype is real. The boxes that came out just before for free were huge. So let me know in the comments if you got one. If you love this channel, hit the like button. If you want to stay tuned, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next project.